Hello and welcome back to the Hey Tiff Show. I'm Tiffany Botel, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in a property manager's toolbox, the comparative market analysis, or known as a CMA. Whether you're setting a rental price, evaluating a property for a sale, or even advising potential clients, a well-crafted CMA can make all the difference. In today's episode, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an accurate and effective CMA, ensuring that everything that you need to inform your decisions for a landlord are there every single time. So what exactly is a CMA? Well, simply put, it's a report that compares one property to similar properties in the area, determining its market value. This process helps you find the right price and gives you a solid foundation for negotiations. Let's break down the steps on how to create a CMA. Start by gathering all the details about the property address, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and any recent upgrades or any renovations that have been done. These details are crucial for creating an accurate comparison. Next, you'll need to find properties that are similar to the one that you're evaluating. Look for similar properties with size, location, condition that have sold within the last 3 to 6 months. Reliable real estate databases and local listings are your best resources here. Now it's time to dive into the data, evaluate current market trends, and calculate key pricing metrics such as price per square metre. This analysis will help you adjust for any differences in the properties that you're looking at and comparing, like the location or any unique features. Once you've gathered all the information and analysed all the data, it's time to compile it into a clear, professional report. Include all relevant property details, comparable properties that you've put into the report, and add any adjustments that you may have made. Using visual aids like tables, charts also make the information easy to understand. A well-prepared CMA not only helps you set a competitive price, but also provides valuable insights that can guide your property management decisions. It's about being informed, strategic, and confident in the market. For a more detailed guide and to see a full example of a CMA, visit our blog at pmva.com.au. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in to the Hey Tiff Show. I'm Tiffany Botel, and I'll see you next time for more tips and strategies to elevate your property management game.